Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel. I am back with new video of important day and date series. If you are not seen of June and July important day and date series, please see link will be given here. I hope all are safe in this situation and request to follow same rule and regulation from government. Stay at home, stay safe. Let's start August month important day and date video series. I am bringing some new idea from last month video so that some important notes I have given here so that you can get beneficiary for easy remembering. Let's start for August series. फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ द 1 अगस्त इम्पोर्टेंट डे. हम लोग उस दिन वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इंग्लिश साइंटिस्ट टिम बर्नर ली इन्वेंटेड द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब इन 1989 एट सन लैब इन जेनीवा स्विट्ज़रलैंड. फ्रेंड्स, उसमें 3 टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. कौन इन्वेंट किया था एंड कहाँ पे इन्वेंट हुआ था एंड कब इन्वेंट हुआ था. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टिम बर्नर ली इन्वेंट किया था और कब इन्वेंट हुआ था 1 अगस्त 1989 एंड कहाँ पे इन्वेंट हुआ था सन लैब जेनेवा स्विट्ज़रलैंड. Second, National Mountain Climbing Day. Theme was protecting mountain biodiversity. Third point is Yorkshire Day is celebrated to promote historic English county of Yorkshire. This is occurred on 1st August, important day. This is the World Breastfeeding Week. This is celebrated every first week of August. The theme was support breastfeeding for a healthier planet. The 2nd August important is this is Friendship Day. Every year, first Sunday of August, we have celebrated National Friendship Day, and for this year, it is occurred on August 2nd August 2020. 3rd August important day, World Sanskrit Day. This is occur Savan Purnima in every year. In this year, 3rd August is in 3rd August this World Sanskrit Day is celebrated. On the 6th August important day, it is Hiroshima Day. The horrific incident took place on 6th August, which is USA dropped a atomic bomb 1945. The bomb name was Little Boy. On 7th important day, National Handloom Day. This day is celebrated to honor the handloom weaver in the country and also highlight the handloom industries. On the 8th August important day, this is the Quit India Movement Day. On the August 8, 1942, Mahatma Gandhi gave a clarion call to end British rule, launched the Quit India Movement at the session All India Congress Committee in Mumbai. The 9th August important day. This is the Nagasaki Day. All of know that US is dropped second atomic bomb on the 9th August 1945. Second, which is 9th August, we have celebrated International Day of World Indigenous People or World Tribal Day also you are calling. Theme is COVID-19 and Indigenous People Resilience. In 10th August important day, this is the celebrated World Lion Day. The main purpose is concerning their protection and conservation. The 10th August also we have celebrated World Biofuel Day. This is the second day on 10th August. The theme was biofuel towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas celebrated the World Biofuel on 10th August in every year. 12th August important day, International Youth Day. This is the Global International Youth Day celebrated on 12th August. In National Youth Day, we have celebrated 12th of January every year. The 12th of August, we have also celebrated World Elephant Day. 13th August important day, the World Organ Donations Day. This day is celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of organ donation and motivate people to donate organs after death. The 14th August important day. This is the Pakistan Independence Day. 15th August important day. All of know that this is celebrated for Indian Independence Day. For this year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is focused for Atmanirbhar Bharat, vocal for local. This is also highlighted in this 15th August Independence Day speech of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On 15th August, also National Mourning Day celebrated, which is called also Bangladesh Day. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, which is father of nation of Bangladesh, is died in this day, so that this day is celebrated. On 16th August, important day, the Benetton Battle Day is celebrated. 17th August, important day, Indonesia Independence Day is celebrated. 19th August, important day, World Photography Day is celebrated. On 19th August, important day, Humanitarian Day is celebrated. This day is celebrated to pay tribute to humanitarian personnel, those workers who lost or risked their lives when doing humanitarian service. World Humanitarian Day 2020 is celebrated for 11th of edition. 20th August, important day, the World Mosquito Day is celebrated. On this day, 1897, Sir Ronald Ross discovered the link between mosquitoes, malaria and human. He found that the malaria parasite is transmitted to human being due to bites of certain mosquitoes. 20th August, this is the Sadbhavan Divas. Every year 20th August, the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi is celebrated for Sadbhavan Divas or Harmony Days. 20th August, Indian Akshaya Urja Divas was celebrated. The day was observed to promote awareness about renewable resources among people who are ignorant about the subject. 21st August, important day, World Senior Citizen Day is celebrated. The World Senior Citizen Day is celebrated, observed globally 21st August every year to raise awareness about issues affecting older people, such as deterrence with age and abuse to elders, and support, honor and show the appreciation to seniors and recognize their achievements. On 21st August, important day, also celebrated International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victim of Terrorism. On 23rd August, important day, International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition. World Water Week celebrated in 24th to 28th August. Theme is Water and Climate Change Accelerating Actions. World Water Week 2020 is observed at the World Water Week at home due to COVID. On 26th August, important day, Women Equality Day celebrated. The 100th anniversary of the Women's Equality Day is being observed in the USA on 26th August to giving equality to every woman. 29th August, important day, National Sports Day. The first National Sports Day was celebrated on 29th August 2012 on the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, who is a star of hockey in India. 29th August, important day, the International Day Against Nuclear Test. The day aims to increase awareness about the effect of nuclear weapon test explosions. 30th August, important day, Small Industry Day. National Small Industry Day is observed each year to commemorate as part of its effort to provide balanced growth to existing small, medium and large scale enterprises to support and promote small industries. On 31st August, important day, we have celebrated Hari Mardeka Day, which is Malaysian National Day. This is all from August, important day and dates. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, please do comment, likes and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.